In this video, we'll see how to resize an image to a specific size in Google Docs. First, insert the image from your computer or any other source. Once the image is inserted, you can resize it freely like this, but that won't give you the exact dimensions. To set a specific size, click on the image and go to Image Options. Under Image Options, open the first menu called Size and Rotation. Here, you'll see Width and Height. If you enter the width, the height will automatically adjust to keep the proportions. But if you want to set both width and height manually, uncheck Lock Aspect Ratio. Now you can enter the exact values independently, and the image will resize accordingly. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.